I'm going to make a couple of catches for this little dial clock I'm making. They're a copy from an original case. The head's that shape and is in brass, and the stem itself is in mild steel. So these are all the little components to make it up.
Thank you.
So those are the two main bodies of the catch made up. So the first thing I'll do is I'll stick that through the door and measure how much sticks out the back. And then what I'll do is I'll file two flats on at that length so that this piece sits on it and doesn't spin round. So that's the catch itself fitted, and this is roughed out. It's going to be the spring that holds it in place. So that will go on top of there. It'll be bent, and there'll be a taper pin holding it in. So that's that one done. Just need a couple of little pins in it so it stops at that point and that point, and this will need bending slightly, but I'll do that later on. The other one is exactly the same, slightly different proportions because the door's a little bit thinner. So apart from the door catches, I need to make a catch for the bezel. This is another case I made quite a while ago, and that's a simple version, what you normally see on these clocks, which is just a piece of brass bent up at the end and a screw on the other. Normally you can see the screw, but because this is such a small case, it's buried behind here. So for this one I'm going to make something a little bit better. So this is a sketch of the one I'm going to do for this clock. It's all made in brass and it is a copy off an old one. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've marked out the shape and drilled a couple of holes. That one's countersunk for the screw, and that one's for the little brass knob. So the first thing I'll do is make that little brass knob, and then I can fret this out. So this batten needs a little notch cutting out so that it'll sit on there and won't affect the catch.